Hello, welcome to the BlazeDog. I love soup. Chicken paw soup. Don't be scared. Your recipes are chicken paws, black-eyed peas, green beans, corn, 2 carrots, and 3 potatoes. The first step you do is peel carrots. I don't use this knife, but I'm a kid, so I use this knife. That was easy. Time to put the next part. Oh, too easy. Next, we peel potatoes. Be careful with the knives. The next step is to cut the potato. Too easy. And then lastly, the chicken paws. Hi, I'm Mr. Chicken. I'm going to the soup. You need to cook it for 2 hours. After cooking it for 2 hours, it's ready. Don't forget to put salt. Let me try it. So good! Don't forget to subscribe and like. Watch another of my videos and I'll see you there.